Okay, this is the American Flip with my iPod Touch. Okay. Okay, I turn it on. Okay, this glitch I found has to do with the home screen. I have 3. Okay, so if I hold it down, shake it. It can't turn on. It won't turn on. This doesn't happen all the time, first time, but it happens. So yeah, can't turn it on. It's not broken or anything. Just plug it back in to any outlet. Okay, it still works. Yeah. Don't worry, it's not broken. You could also reset it, but it's faster to just plug it back into outlet to charge. But it's also weird how you're playing music. Let's find something good. There you go. Alright, so... Okay, so I'm playing music. Yeah. Okay, it's playing, right? Right? Okay. So I'm playing music, and then I go to the home screen, do it again. It won't turn on, but it's still playing. See? See? Okay. What if it's still playing? Nope. Oh, it is. Okay. It won't turn off. Okay. But, yeah. So I just plug it back in. Okay, so just pause that. Yep. So it... crap. It still works. But it's glitchy. This is the 1.1 firmware 1.1.4 with software update, weather, maps, stocks, and notes. And this is the American Flip and my iPod Touch won't turn on glitch.